Before we dive into this fantastic topic and understand the mystery of fasting, have you ever tried fasting, or are you wondering what fasting is all about? If yes, then check out this video to uncover more facts about it. Fasting has been a part of human culture for centuries, with many religions and cultures incorporating it with their practices. But did you know that fasting has both scientific as well as spiritual significance? In this video, we will be going to explore the history and the benefit of fasting. Are you someone who enjoys learning about science, spirituality, and self-improvement? Then Pawan offers more such valuable insights and information to live your life fulfilled. So don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and join the community of like-minded individuals today itself. So sit back, relax, and join us on our journey as we will be going to explore the 7 benefits of fasting from the perspective of science and spirituality. Vedic fasting or spiritual fasting is discussed in Yajurved's Karma Kand. Tapasya or austerity in the form of fasting is highly recommended in developing Krishna consciousness. For certain and continuous spiritual advancement, it is necessary to arrive at a mode of goodness, that is Sattva Guna. But this is impossible if all our senses remain unchecked and unrestrained. So, whether you are interested in doing fasting for health purpose, spirituality, or both, this video is for you. Are you guys ready to learn more about this ancient practice? Let's get started. Humans have practiced fasting for centuries for various of reasons, including health benefit, religion, and cultures. Many studies have investigated the psychological effect of fasting, and it has been found to have numerous benefits to mind and body. In addition, fasting has spiritual significance in many religions and is believed to promote spiritual growth and mindfulness. So, here are 7 benefits of fasting from the perspective of science and spirituality. Now, let us just quickly unravel the scientific significance of fasting. Number 1. Weight loss. You can lose weight by reducing calorie intake and increasing fat burning. But studies have shown that intermittent fasting is one of the best options for fat loss. It reduces belly fat, which is associated with major heart diseases and type 2 diabetes. Number 2 is improved blood sugar control. Fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, which in return lower down the sugar level in blood. This is particularly important for the people with type 2 diabetes because it reduces sugar level in the blood and its complication. Number 3, reduces inflammations. Chronic inflammation is one of the major factors of the diseases like heart diseases, cancers, and Alzheimer's. Fasting helps in reducing the inflammation markers in body and reduces the risk of these diseases. Number 4 is improved brain functions. Fasting helps in improving brain functions like memory, focus, and concentration. It also helps in reducing the risk of the age-related cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. Fasting has spiritual significance in many religions, and it is believed that it promotes spiritual growth and mindfulness. Here are some of its benefits. Number 5, promotes mindfulness. Fasting helps in promoting mindfulness by creating awareness to the mind and body. By abstaining food and other distractions, it also helps us to remain focused on the present moment, and it also helps us to increase our self-awareness. Number 6, promotes humility. Fasting helps in promoting humility by reminding us of our dependence on the higher power and the need for the spiritual sustenance. It can also help us to be more compassionate towards the less fortunate people, and it also increases our generosity towards them. Number 7 and the last one, promotes spiritual growth by creating space for introspection and self-reflection. fasting helps in promoting spiritual growth. It can also help us deepening our bond with the higher power and cultivate inner peace and purpose. We hope this video has decoded the scientific and spiritual significance of fasting. Whether you are fasting for the health purpose or the spiritual purpose, it is very important to approach it with the mindfulness and self-care. With the right mindset and approach, fasting can be a very powerful tool for mental, physical and spiritual well-being. If you like this video and don't want to miss an update, make power your life savior. Click on the subscribe button. Join the community of like-minded people today itself. Thank you.